Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the 4-port USB and charcoal. Okay, so as you can see on the front here, it has 4 USB type A's, and it has two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. All right, let's grab our scissors and let's open her up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll get a set of instructions, which I'll show you later. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, so I'll give you a nice little 360. Okay, and let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple. With your fingers, grab at the corner and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side and it'll pop off nice and easy, just like that. All right. So on the back here, you'll be able to see that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice that you'll need to do a bridging system here, which is very common in Europe, to get the full power to the USBs. All right, let's flip it on over to its side. Okay, so you'll see here that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box to be able to fit your USBs in, and enough room to fit your cords in there as well. All right. So the cool thing about these guys is, let's say you've just redone your house and none of the walls match the sockets anymore. Okay, not a problem. You can just order one of these plates, clips on just nice and easy like that. Okay. Let's take this off, put the original back on. All right. And now I'll show you the leaflet. Okay, so on the one side here, you have all of our social medias. You head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. Okay. On the other side here, you have a bunch of different ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger chat. In the bottom right-hand corner here, you have a QR Scan Me code. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page, and it'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, and then finally, let's just take a look at the bag here that it comes in. Okay, so on the bottom here is our SKU code. So the ART-SKT213USBCH for charcoal. You have our barcode there, and in the top left-hand corner here, you have another QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. You can see our full range of products there. Okay, flip it up on its side. You'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this bag that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one a day. So please subscribe, make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, have a trendy day.